What's going on YouTube? Is your boy Dwizzum Works back at it again. Just bringing you a quick little video here. Talk about some things I had done to this lovely Spyder on yesterday. Well, 19,000 miles. Did a 19,000 mile service on this bike. And let me just first off start off by saying that the folks that service my bike exhibit the most customer service, outstanding work, no hassle. I have nothing but praises to sing. I actually did a Google review last night on them, but the folks over at Mountain Motorsports, I can't speak for everybody, but I can speak about my experience. But the folks over at Mountain Motorsports in Lithia Springs, Mr. Jared Chapman and Mr. Derek Nolan over there. Jared is the service advisor. Mr. Derek was the technician that serviced the bike yesterday. Those guys got me in yesterday and took care of me. I had a lot of work done for a Saturday. And by the way, today is June 18th, so happy Father's Day, first and foremost, to all the fathers out there. So today's June 18th. I had all the work and everything done on yesterday at Mountain Motorsports in Lithia Springs with Mr. Jared and Mr. Derek. And those guys were phenomenal. This bike is running, it was running good before, but after they got finished putting their hands on it yesterday, this bike is just running absolutely purring like a baby, man. It's like a kitten, man. It's smooth. The shifting is better. The sound like it has been dampened some. It's just overall, the bike is just so much better. So no one's talking to you, Siri. So let me get into what actually I had done on the bike, because it was quite extensive on a Saturday. On yesterday, it was quite extensive, the work that I had done on the bike. So let me get into all of that. Let me get my invoice. I'll be right back at you. Before I tell you about this work that I had done on my bike, I thought I'd show you. Look, check out my gear. See my shirt? A Can-Am shirt. What y'all think? I got it from the Georgia Spyder Rally last week, and it was only $10. $10 for my can. I love it, man. I wish they had it in all black and yellow, black being the primary, but it's all good. I like the yellow too. So I thought I'd rock that today, show you all what I got yesterday. Not yesterday, last week at the Georgia Spyder Rally. But anyway, let's get back to this bike. All right, so the first thing I had done, I had a receipt right here, and I'm going to, or the invoice, so I'm going to share that with you. I did pay a total of $411 on yesterday. $411 for the work that I had done yesterday, but it was because the $411 was for the rear tire, the brand new rear tire. Look how good that looks. So of course they charged me. The tire itself was about $200, and then the rest of it was labor. So actually it was $380 something. But you know, with taxes, it made it $411. So fair enough. But that's all I paid yesterday, was the $411. The other work that I had done yesterday, let's look at the invoice, is, it was a lot of work for a Saturday. Tell me what you think. Comment below and tell me what you think, if you agree or not. Oh. Epic fail. All right, here we go. So as you can see, they replaced the rear tire. They mounted and balanced the new rear tire. Verified tires holding pressure at 28. Clean and greased the rear axle. I have the extended warranty on my bike, and that extended warranty, I think, is what saved me yesterday, because I was informed that it would have been a whole lot more money, a whole lot higher, if I had not had the extended warranty. So right now, you know, when I purchased this Can-Am Spyder, I purchased it with a 5-year warranty, maintenance plan, and that 5-year maintenance plan and warranty has proven to be a game changer and a lifesaver. So if I ever had to purchase another, when I purchase another motorcycle, I think I'm going to always purchase that maintenance plan can't remember exactly how much it costs, but it is really saving me at moments when it's time to have the bike maintained and caught up to speed. So let me go ahead and get back to everything else that they did on a Saturday, on yesterday. They changed the oil and oil filter, changed spark plugs. Let me repeat that. They changed the spark plugs, they changed the air filter, topped off the coolant, performed diagnostic scan, and verified that there were no active codes or updates. They inspected the brake pads, which I know are good because I do the brakes myself. They verified all lights and switches work, and they also set the tire air pressure. And then they just talk about what type of oil they use, which is a synthetic blend 4 with 5W40. The oil filter, the air filter, and the spark plugs that they use. So the spark plugs, if you know anything about the Can-Am Spyders, the spark plugs themselves are not easy. It's not an easy task. Basically, the bike is in a million pieces when they start working on the bike, because they have to remove so much to get to the spark plugs. Pretty much the whole top portion of the Spyder has all of the plastic or panel pieces have to be removed. So changing the spark plugs is an all-day event. Again, the gentleman who worked on the bike over at Spyder, Derek, on yesterday, it was an all-day event for him. This was the only bike that he touched yesterday, period. He didn't get the opportunity to work on anything else but this vehicle right here. From putting on the rear tire, doing the spark plugs, doing the oil and filter change, that took the whole Saturday. So that's why I'm giving those guys a special shout out, because they could have said, I mean, and then to get it back in the same day, but they could have said, you know, you want to leave it with us, it's gonna be a few days, and work on it at, you know, their pace. But those guys got me in and said they're gonna jump on it, and they did what they said they're gonna do. That's a lot of work, y'all. That rear tire by itself is not the easiest thing to do. It really isn't. But for them to do that, the spark plugs and the oil and filter change, the air filter, top off the coolant, do all of that in the same day, and inspect the bike, that is a lot. That is a lot. So special shout out to all those guys out there. But the joy and the reward, it comes in riding this bike, this trike, because today it is absolutely beautiful and it is running like a champ. So just thought I'd do this quick little video. Comment, like, subscribe below, and tell me what you think. I will be doing another video and answering some of the comments that you all have asked for. I think someone asked for, and I'm sorry I don't have your name, but I'll get you straight in a minute. But someone asked about about the top 5 things. I think it was the top 5 things that you should consider before buying a Can-Am Spyder. So I'll do a video on that and give my thoughts. There's a little teaser. The first thing is take a class on motorcycles, period. So you can just get the general knowledge of motorcycles. But I'll do a video on that coming next couple of days. And also talk about that warranty program again, because I'm really, that maintenance program. Let me stop calling it warranty and call it maintenance program. That maintenance program, because of that maintenance program, I did not have to pay for the spark plugs. The oil and filter change was included, because I think, you know, it covers you up to like 5 years. So I think it's worth it. Me personally think it's worth it. Saves a lot of time and headache, because you can change the oil and filter yourself, but why do it when you have a maintenance plan and have somebody else who can do it? You can go ahead and do something else, come back later on and get your bike and ride home. And that's what I did yesterday. I did miss some events because of it, but it's all good. But I'm pleased. So special shout out to all those guys out there. Like I said, my personal experience has been very good from beginning to end. So comment, like, subscribe below. Tell me what you think. If I said anything that you have questions about, hit me back and let me know. If I said something that's not completely accurate, let me know. And we go from there. So the Wisdom Works out. Peace.